me than not. Thank you. I don't know what is happening. Disco. I see people around. It seems like
my turn was comment also one pilot regarding solution that is also one of the 6 under development services in Estonia, and this part includes more than CRM. So we are covering 3 main parts. First one is transportation ordering and planning process. It is made for companies who are using quite oftenly subcontractors, and they might even have any trucks by themselves. So they have to have a lot of subcontractors planning their activities and making the preparation and confirmation process, which ends with the ECMR, and this part will be confirmed by cargo sender, by carrier, and granted also access to the public authorities. This is under construction yet, so it's not ready, but we will hope during the summertime also go out with the complete ECMR solution, plus piloting something quite similar that will be with FD Gate, hopefully between Estonia and Finland, and maybe with some other countries as well.